So a few weeks before, a leak claimed that Xiaomi will add a new device, the Xiaomi 16 Pro Max, to their upcoming Xiaomi 16 series. Now, more details about the handset are starting to appear, giving us a good rationale for this newer variant of the lineup. Hey lads, TechScanning here. So, the renowned tipster Digital Chat Station shared the battery specs of the handset, and according to that, the Xiaomi 16 Pro Max will feature a massive battery capacity that will even outshine the brand's top-end Xiaomi 16 Ultra. The Xiaomi 16 Pro Max will be packed with a 70 to 90 mAh of battery that will probably be marketed as 7500 mAh, an incredibly huge battery capacity. Now, if you are wondering how Xiaomi is pushing the boundaries in this regard, especially like in comparison to Samsung, which is striking at 5000 mAh, even their upcoming Galaxy S26 Ultra is rumored to get the same battery capacity next year. Now, that is because Xiaomi is using a composite of silicon carbon battery tech. With this design, it allows more energy density, meaning more power can be stored in the same size. If you are curious about the Xiaomi 16 Ultra, that will be the top-end smartphone. As per the tipster, it will be shipped with the 7000 mAh of battery. Now, in terms of other specs, the Xiaomi 16 series will be among the first phones to use the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 chipset. That will also include the Xiaomi 16 Pro Max. So, with the energy-efficient chipset and a huge battery capacity, it will be an incredible combination for the heavy smartphone users. Now, design-wise, though we have yet to receive the renders, but as per a previous leak, the handset could feature a secondary horizontal screen on its rear, a similar concept like the Xiaomi 11 Ultra launched back in 2021. Anyway, rest assured, I will keep you updated as we are expected to get the lineup renders soon. Of course, I will keep you updated, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.